looking for a new construction community, but you're looking for all ages and possibly some of the larger homes that are 2 stories, then stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast in Port St Lucie, Florida, and I love helping people like you every single day find their home here on the Treasure Coast. Whether or not you're looking in the next 9 days, 90 days, year or 2, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to show you the area, help you find your dream home, and answer any questions that you have. So in today's video, we are going to go and check out a new construction community. This is by Taylor Morrison, and the community is called Veranda Oaks. What is different about this community, I guess, in terms of the location? So typically when you hear of new construction in our area, most of it is out in the Tradition area, which is a little bit further west and west of 95. In this community, there are a couple off of Becker Road, just east of the Turnpike. And what is really good about this location is if you are trying to be into Martin County, which is, we're literally around the corner from Palm City. So if you want to be in Palm City, Stewart, Jensen Beach, if you want to be closer to the beach in general, this location is about 15-20 minutes to the beach versus Tradition, which are closer to like 30-35 minutes to the beach. So that's a really nice thing. And also this community is just east of the Turnpike, so it's a little bit further south and further east. If you do want to commute down to West Palm Beach or to the airports, this community is just right off of the Turnpike exit, so really easy location for people that are commuting down south. So stick around, let's take a look at these videos. So currently they have about 150 home sites here in Veranda Oaks. They are in phase 1. They probably will be around for about probably another 3 years or so. They probably have phase 2 and phase 3 coming up, but currently they're just in phase 1. And they have 2 model homes to take a look at. So we'll look at the 2 homes for you to take a look at. One is a single story and the other one is a 2-story. This is their Bermuda. This is a 2-story home, which is unusual for us here in Florida, but it's can be anywhere between a 4 and a 6 bedroom home, about a little over 3,000 square foot under air. It's nice to have a front covered porch. As you come in, you have the flex room, which has a closet, so technically it can be a bedroom. Coming into a nice open floor plan here. And this community does have gas, which is a nice feature. A lot of our communities down here are mostly electric. Nice walk-in pantry. And then an open floor plan, open living space here. One of the features that you can add as an upgrade is the outdoor kitchen. And this does have the pavers that go all the way across. Goes into the master bedroom where you have the tray ceiling. Really large walk-in shower. Double vanities and a large walk-in closet. So this is a little unusual. You have the laundry room and then it actually connects to the back of the walk-in closet. So from your master you can just come over here real quick and do your laundry. So upstairs you have this great flex room. It'd be great for an office. If you've got kids and they need their gaming space, game on. It's a nice area for that. And then you have the other bedrooms upstairs. This one is an ensuite, so it's got its own bathroom here. And then you've got another bedroom through here. Have the other bathroom ups. And then the last bedroom over here. Again, with a really nice size walk-in closet. It's a wonderful family home. You want to have the separation, have your master downstairs and the kids upstairs. It's a great house to check out. So this is the Grenada. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, $23.94 under air. And this one is a single-story home. This one you come in, you have a nice entryway. The very front of the house, you have a bedroom, bathroom. Pretty standard for our houses here. The layout. Its own bathroom up here. Again, high ceilings. You've got the flex room here. You can use it as an office or a den, a pool table. And you go into the main living area here. It's nice of this too. You have some extra space here, cook space, and a big pantry. This is the living room area. You got the living room, dining room, all open floor plan here. Right off of the kitchen, you have some additional bedrooms. And then you have the laundry room, which will connect to the master, just like in the other house. And then here is the master. This one, they have the shower and the tub. Again, you can create any of these. If you'd like just a shower, just a tub, you like the shower tub combo. And then again, going into the master closet, like in the other house, you're in the master closet and it connects out to the laundry room. So the base price on this Grenada model is $477,900. And in terms of incentives currently, they are offering pay up to $15,000 of your closing costs here. And if you do see a house that you like, it's only $99 for a contract deposit to hold the lot for you. Just something to think about. They have move-in ready homes, and they also have to-be-built homes. So this is the Barbados model. The Barbados model base price is $588,900. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, about 3,400 square feet. And with these models too, you can always make them a 3-car garage if you're interested in that. And then the other one that they don't have a model of is their Bermuda model. It's $540,000. That's the base price, $540,900, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, about 3,053 square feet. And then also there are move-in ready homes available, and the pricing for that in Veranda Oaks, the Grenada is $577,895. They have 2 Barbados models that are available, and those are $640,430. And they have a Bermuda that is $668,405, and those are pricing, all in pricing. They have all the upgrades, everything that's done on it. If you want new construction and you don't want the wait, might be a good option. So with this community, they do have a CDD, which is the Community Development District tax. That is a tax that goes tax bill every single year. This one is $2,674 per year. You do have a lower HOA, so your quarterly HOA is $650, so slightly over $200, basically per month, and then you have the CDD. That does include pest control, all the common areas, the irrigation, so that also includes the pool, the dog park, you'll have a playground, and then the gated access here as well too. There should be 2 lakes in this community. They're also going to have a community pool, a dog park, and a playground. Last tip. If you are thinking about going in for new construction, like I always say, please feel free to reach out to me before you walk into a model center. And the reason for that is the minute you go into the model center, they'll ask you, do you have a realtor, or is your realtor here? If you don't have all my contact information, or I'm not physically there with you, I can't represent you. It doesn't change the cost of the home. Actually, they pay me out of the marketing budget, but it makes a huge difference because you want somebody on your side. The builder works for themselves, and you want someone that can work for you. So please feel free to reach out to me if you are even considering new home construction. So if you want any more information on this Veranda Oaks community, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast.